I guess I'll do that. Oh, what? Just immediate start? Okay. Is there some boost that you didn't teach me about? There we go. What was that? What was that? I am mighty confused. Oh, look at all those boxes up there. Oh, why am I in 5th place? It's not fair. Oh, whatever. I don't like it. Can I restart? Quit. Oh, okay, bye Revan. Go. Go. Oh. Wait, they've got tails. They're like lizards. What, like lizards are the only things that have tails? No. As in they have lizards that look like lizard tails. What, they have lizards, they have tails. Well, they're all exploding. LOL! Oh, well, once you learn the track, it's fine. Except that. No. No! Ooh. Oh, whatever. I reckon I'm gonna win this. I see the chat moving out the corner of my eye. Oh no, look what you did. Oh. Do I even get anything for winning? A successful trick. Oh. Okay. Yeah. It is quite Crash Bandicoot-y when it added racing, which was terrible, perhaps. I don't seem to be getting speed boosts for that. But that's okay, it seems like I shouldn't need a speed boost. Oh. Oh. Hole. No. Just oh. Oh, gosh. Up! Why can I never reach that one? It's just out of reach. Halo reach at that. Oh. Means it's even worse. Oof. Oof. Where's Mr. First Place Wonder? Oi! Wait, apparently I passed him. Oh, no, whatever. I'm probably not going to win now because I messed up once. Exactly like Crash Bandicoot 3, where if you so much as fall down one hole in the road, you're probably not going to win. he is. Why do they not get... Stupid, I would have won if they played by the same rules. Why don't they fall over when they hit explodey bobs? Oh... Oh, I'm already in first place, I reckon. Yep. He's got it today. Hup. Still can't hit that one though. And stop saying hup. He's right behind me, ramming through the explosions without any problems. Oh. I might as well just stop going for that. Probably not actually. It's not very interesting racy music. It should be like... Yeah, it should. Oof. No! I've won! I winned!
Hi folks, Captain Quark here.
That's sudden.
My distinct pleasure to introduce this year's HoverCon Intergalactic Champions. Let's give it up for newcomers.
Ratchet and Clank.
Hey look, that's us.
It
Today's
is.
winners will take home a brand new professional grade Model T15 Platinum Zoomerator.
It's bigger than...
By Gadgetron, this hoverboard drive delivers more lift, speed, and maneuverability than any other anti-grav device on the market.
Thanks!
Well, folks, that's all the time we have tonight. Remember to set your info pods to the Quark Classic channel for tonight's episode of Dogfight Over Death Canyon, starring yours truly. Thank you, and have a Quark-tastic day.
A Platinum Zoomerator. It's not as good as a Super Deluxe High-Tech Edition Hoverboard 2000. No!
Since you now
Oh, what?
have a Zoomerator, you can
Ah.
tricks Turbo.
Well, I don't want to
Press
right
the
now.
square button to use Turbo.
If there's anything else I can win from that, I might return later, but I don't feel like it. Anyway, I probably won't, well, I won't be streaming Gex today at least, and I don't know if I will ever stream it, because I kind of want to record it for my main channel, but I'm not sure. And, well, that was pretty much the only question. Why are you not open, you tart? As in tart. As in tasty, tasty goodness. Whoa, don't fall off. Wait, is that the end of the world? No. So how do I go in there? Oh, that way that I didn't go. And I'm sure it's a wondrous new experience and makes you want to get all of the Ratchet and Clank games now that you've seen it. Because I certainly do. Heck, I got the first 4 Ratchet and Clank games before I even played this one, which is very silly. Oh dear, I'm gonna get yummed. Ugh. Nope. Hup. There we go. Oh, oh. Chonk. Hi, elevator. You came up just as I got here. So what's this? Is it sucky time? Oh wait, hydro displacer. Disney owning Star Wars was like the weirdest thing I've heard in years. It's like completely out of place. Maybe. This is a big whoopee gun. Oh wait, I was gonna say something, but I just remembered I actually said it when I got the gun. I guess I'll say it again. It looks like a penis enlarger. Oh dear. There's money down there, but I don't care. Here, have some water. Die! More of this.